Hey, what is going on? Eric from Spraytight Foam Insulation. My name is Sean Nicholas, and I'm with NJCO Marketing. Today, I'm showing this video to show you 3 tips that you can use to help your online presence. If by the end of the video you like what you hear, please feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions, you have my email. Just shoot me a message. Let me go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. When it comes to content on your website, it has to do with how many words, how many keywords, and how your pictures are saved as well. With the words, you want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 on your main page, and then anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words on your sub pages as well. You do have quite a bit of content here, which is good. You want to make sure you have that adequate amount of words because that allows you to implement keywords. And what a keyword is basically a search term that's being searched by your customers who are looking for your services. So the more keywords you have, the more search volume your website will get. And when it comes to your pictures, if these pictures are staged under keywords as well, they're actually going to be helping your you get ranked for those keywords and found for them. So this picture was saved under a keyword, especially under a certain city. So that will be helping you get found for that keyword there and ranked for it as well. And the second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. What citations is basically the name of your company as it is listed on Google, phone number and address, listing directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Facebook. Just anywhere a company can go and implement their information so that they can be found. The more citations you have, the higher you will be ranked in the Google My Business section of Google right down here. The way you will outrank your competitors by duplicating their citations and then implementing more citations so that you don't only outrank them, but you make sure that they don't catch up to you as well. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. What a backlink is basically a link that links back to your website from a different website. The more backlinks you have, the more powerful your website will be. Uh, then when it comes to links, though, not all links are created equal. Some are created, some are different depending on how relevant they are to your content. The more relevant they are, the more power they will bring, and the higher you will be ranked because of it. So, if you have more powerful links than your competitor does, you might not need as many as they have to outrank them. Um, so, like for example, for the GMB and the organic section, right, Google down here, you want to be number one. Reason why is because most people don't go past the first or second page, so you want to be one of the first websites they see because they will most likely click you out of everyone else. So that's why it's very important to be number one in the number one spot. The last thing I want to show you is this quick tool I use called Ahrefs. I'll put in your information for your website here. It's showing me that you have a UR, which is basically how much power your link has. You have a 21 and you have a 2 for DR, which is how trusted you are in that it's Google. You also have a 48 referring domains, giving you a total of 294 backlinks, and in turn giving you organic traffic of 3. And you have 42 organic keywords, so that's 42 words that you're being found for. And I can see here as well these referring domains were implemented over some time, so that might have not been done properly, or if it recently got done, then we're just waiting for it to update. But according to this, it's giving me some information up to of last year. So now I'm gonna go over to your competitors. This is your top competitor in the area. They have a UR of 9 and a DR of 12. They do have 82 referring domains, giving them a total of 658 backlinks, and in turn they're getting 358 organic traffic. So that's 358 customers each month that they're getting on their website. And they also have 958 organic keywords, so that's 958 words that they're being found for. So right here, they probably got their SEO work done properly, so that's why they're in turn getting this much traffic each month. Um, with you, the backlinks that you have might not be as relevant as you thought they were, or as the person who got them thought they were, but they're not gonna really bring in that search volume because remember, like I said before, the more relevant they are to your content, the higher you'll be ranked for them, and the higher you are ranked for that category, the more traffic you will get each month as well. So, those are the tips that I have for you there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Other than that, I hope you have a good day and take care. Thank you.